Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. My name is Chris Ledford. I'm a certified personal trainer, and along with certified health coach Serein, we make videos that focus on physical fitness, nutrition, and healthy living. If you like what you see, please make sure you turn on your notifications button and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so here we are, guys. We're out in front of the gym. Serein and I are about to go in and film a full body guided workout, because in my last video, I told you I was going to give you something that you could take into the gym with you wherever you live, and it would be something that you could feel confident in, that is going to help you get a great workout and help you maximize your time spent at the gym. Don't forget, guys, every Sunday in the month of January, I'm going to be uploading one of these videos. It will either be a full body workout or focus on a specific muscle group, and you can take it right into the gym with you, hit repeat, follow along, and do exactly what I tell you to do. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you turn on your notifications bell, and we will see you every Sunday right back here on Ledford. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, here we go. So I wanted to do a workout that you can do at any gym across the world, because each gym has certain things in them, and one of the most basic things that they all have are treadmills. So we're going to do a 5 to 10 minute quick warm up on the treadmill, and we're going to do just a nice little pace of about 2.5 or 3. So make sure your speed is set to 2.5 or 3 and just walk for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're just trying to loosen up the body, get the blood flowing before we move into our actual workout. Okay, again, part of our warm up. Here we go. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 floor bridges. So you're going to make sure that your feet and your hands and your shoulders are attached to the mat, and you're going to bridge straight up with your hips. We're going to loosen up the pelvis, loosen up the hips, loosen up the lower back. Again, we're going to warm up before we start our actual workout. Okay, super important. You guys know how I feel about the lower back. I want to make sure that we're always doing something to strengthen it. So you're going to do 3 sets of 15 floor cobras. Make sure your hips are attached at all times to the mat and press up with your upper body. You can pause the top for a little bit, whatever feels good to you. Just go at your own pace. Okay, last warm up we've got going on. So you're going to do a front and side toe touch. It looks very simple, guys, but I want you to do 15 on each leg, right? And a little bend in the knee makes this slightly more difficult. I'm recruiting a lot of different muscles, all the way from your feet and your ankles, all the way up to your legs and your core. So switch it up, do 15 on each leg, and then after that second set, your legs should be pretty good and on fire. Okay, this is one of my favorite full body workouts. It's a ball squat curl to overhead press. As you can see, I've got my back against a stability ball up against the wall. I'm squatting down, and as I come up, I curl and I press the weights over my head. Make sure your knees stay over your toes, and then as you squat down and come up, curl and then press the weight over your head. I want 3 sets of 10. Okay, guys, you can't get much more basic than this. I want 3 sets of 10 push-ups. If you can't do 3 sets of 10, give me as many as you can on that first set. Take a 30-second break, come back, do as many as you can, take a 30-second break, and then come back for your third set. You can do them regular, or you can do assisted like I'm doing with your knees on the mat. Okay, standing cable row. This, I just want you to use your back muscles to pull the cable. As you can see, I'm not using my arms or my shoulders so much as I am using my back. So make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart, give a nice pull, and give me 3 sets of 10. Okay, let's work on that balance and stability a little more. Stand on one foot, raise the dumbbells straight up, make sure that your thumbs are pointing to the sky, and you're going to do 15 on each leg. This is going to work your shoulders nice and tight. Okay, same basic principle. One foot, 15 times, and then switch to the other foot and do that 15 times as you're doing curls. What I want to do here is I want to work on your stability, and I want to recruit more muscles that make you more stable from your legs to your core. When you recruit more muscles, you burn more fat and calories. Again, 15 on each leg. Okay, last exercise, we're going to do a step up to balance. Again, it looks pretty simple, but I want 3 sets of 15 alternating legs, just like I'm doing here. And by the third set of 15, you're probably going to be hating me because your legs should be on fire. So step up, balance, step down. Step up, balance, step down. It's pretty easy, but the more you do it, the harder it gets. So there you go, guys, your first full body workout of the new year. Congratulations, you made it through. Make sure you come back next Sunday because there's going to be another video waiting for you. Every Sunday in the month of January, I'm going to upload one video that focuses on full body or a specific muscle group. And you can take these videos into any gym all across the world, and you can make sure that what I'm giving you helps you maximize the time spent at the gym and you get the most out of your workout. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.